Hi everyone, this is Filled to Flame. My name is Tony, and today we're going to be making venison dumpling lasagna. I seen this recipe all over the internet. It was for the viral dumpling lasagna is what it was. I decided to change it up and go with venison because, you know, here at Tagged Out and Filled to Flame, we love wild game. So today, we're going to be sharing this recipe with you. Let's get cooking. We're going to start by taking our ground venison, putting it into a bowl. We're going to add in our cabbage, our green onions, our garlic and ginger, and our shiitake mushrooms. We're going to get this mixed up real quick. Now we're going to season this mixture. A little bit of soy sauce, some oil, pepper. White pepper works best. I don't have any. And a little bit of sugar. We're going to mix this up and set aside and start working on our sauce. For our sauce, go in a little bit of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium. Some of our chili oil. A touch of sugar as well, just to sweeten it up just a touch. We're going to brush the inside of our baking dish. A little bit of our sauce to help it not stick. Also, to add more flavor. Now we're going to take our wonton wrappers. I'm going to try to lay these in a nice, even layer, as good as we can. Let's see, I'm going to take the whole one. Nope. We'll just kind of. That wasn't perfect, it'll be okay. We'll just keep stacking these real quick. Now we're going to take a little bit of our meat mixture, lay it down, push it nice and flat. So a nice even layer all the way across. Brush some of our sauce right on top of our meat. And we're going to go in with another layer of the egg roll wrappers, meat. Top it off. Now in with our last layer of the wonton wrappers. That fully covered up. We will have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now we have our sauce mixture. We have a little bit of chicken stock here, about half and half. Stir this up. Dump this right on top. Everything is fully coated. The egg roll wrappers are nice and soft. We're going to go into the 350 degree oven. We're going to bake this for about 30 minutes. Our venison dumpling lasagna is looking great. Here we have a little bit of our extra sauce. We're going to dress this thing up, drizzle it all over, make it look pretty. We're just going to serve it like this out of this container. Let's get a taste. All right, let's get a bite. Get a little bit of everything on there. Oh, that's so good. The flavor is amazing. The venison really complements the flavors of the Asian dishes with the chili flakes and the garlic and the ginger. This is a fantastic recipe. I recommend that you throw this into your weekly recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and also our website, shoptaggedout.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.